Lezi ndaba sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC i-Auckland Park eGoli naze nginohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Mr. Malema, the matter is then postponed as once again, if I hear correctly, and can you hear me? Because I 15 April.
Sihlehliswe lomhla zi-15 kuMbasa isicawu esandulela ukwethulwa kwesigwebo ecaleni lomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema nokuyicala lokuqhumisa isibhamu esilangalaleni emcimbini waleli qembu ngonyaka we-2018. Namhlanje usonhlalakahle ubethula ubufakazi usuku lonke. Bekuwumunye owodwa ngesikhathi kubanjwa inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yabafundi abayi-14 abashone ngesihluku engozini yetekisi eBale Park ngomsombuluko.
Sibonile kwizifonini kuma-social media kuthiwa kunetishala edubule ezinye itishala.
Zishaqekile izakhamuzi zaseNtabankulu e-Eastern Cape ngemva kwesigameko sokudubula esenzeke emagcekeni esikole iNtabankulu Primary nalapho kusolwa khona ukuthi obeyiphini likathishanhloko ungene wavulela ngenhlamvu kwabanye othisha wase-eyidubula naye. Nabe ngobani yakho nje uzulu ngomhlambu wenkomo kwaSokhuza bathi uyena uyakuhlabana libumbene lomkhothi ihora siyakhuleka nenabendlula amethi amakhosi edlula ezinye ngentamo ecosha kuyiphakeme ake niqobelena kamaqatha aqalazayo agangile nokho. Lizoqhubeka mhla zi-15 kuMbasa icala lokuqhumisa isibhamu esilangalaleni nokuyicala elibhekene nomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema. Namhlanje inkantolo yemantshi yaseMonti izwe izethula ezendulela ukugwetshwa kukaMalema njengoba ithimba labameli bakhe libize usonhlalakahle oyimele uJesse Thompson. Estatimendeni sakhe uThompson wenze izethulo ezithi uMalema kufanele akhokhiswe inhlawulo esikhundleni sokudonsa isigwebo ejele.
Osukwini lokuqala lwezethulo zesigcawu esandulela isigwebo sikaMalema, usonhlalakahle ozimele uJesse Thompson utshele inkantolo ukuthi umholi we-EFF akayena umuntu ofanele ukuthola isigwebo esizokwenza ukuthi abhadle ejele.
I couldn't find any intent that the weapon was used or obtained with the aim of committing any other offences. It was specifically for the purpose of the celebratory shots. It was in his possession for a very, very short period of time, making it very distinguishable from all the other cases where a period of imprisonment would be imposed.
Ngaphandle kwenkantolo bekubomvu tebhu njengoba izinkumbi zabalandeli beqembu ziphume ngothi lwazo ukuzokweseka umholi wazo.
When I'm seated there in court, my wife sent me a message and she says, "You look so lonely alone in the court, in that box of the court." I said, "It can look like that, but if you look behind me, all my aunts are behind me. They've built a shield. All my relatives are behind me. They are a wall that says we are going to fall with this child. They will never do that if I did not give them love."
Ubesedlulisa umlayezo ku-AfriForum nokuyiyona eyammangalela.
We are not the ANC. We are not scared of AfriForum. Fighters, the law of this country will prevail against racism. No racism.
Icala libe selihlehliselwa umhla zi-15 nomhla zi-16 kuMbasa ukuze kwenziwe izethulo zokugcina.
Bekubanjwe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yabafundi abayi-14 abashone engozini iNyantisikazi nokuyingozi ebiphakathi kwetekisi neloli eVale Sebokeng. Umshayeli wetekisi uAyanda Dludla oneminyaka engama-22 ubudala ubhekene noxhaxho lamacala okubulala kanye namathathu okuzama ukubulala. uDludla uvelile enkantolo yaseBale Park izolo.
Basebenze ngokuzikhandla bezimo eziphuthumayo njengoba imindeni elahlekelwe izingane zazo ibingakwazi ukwamukela isimo esibuhlungu njengalesi. Imindeni ngokwahlukana kwayo inikezwe ithuba lokukhuluma ngabathandiweyo bayo.
My son taught me love. The one thing I'll never forget about my son is that he taught me how to love. He taught me how to show affection. He taught me how to He taught me how to love him. Yo.
Boleng e ne le ngwana Thabileng. And as much as parents will get so irritated with us ka di phone, the most beautiful gift that Boleng has left us as a family is her TikTok page.
Sithi siyabonga nangeingoma ngoba ukuhlabelela kuyamthokozisa odabukileyo. Sesi right sinamandlanyana sesiyakwazi nokuthi singama sikhulume.
Buhle was a very lovely child. She was a person who was always laughing, and then she had a multi-talent, because I was really confused with which career is she following.
Gauteng Provincial Government, the Department of Education, Sports, Arts, Culture and Recreation, and the people of this province, I offer you our deepest, most sincere condolences.
Uchilwane uthi kunemthetho kuzodingeka ukuthi iguqulwe njengenye yezindlela zokuqeda ngenhlekelele njengalena, kanti sekuqinisekiswe nokuthi abafundi bazofihlwa kusasa nangesonto.
Inqwaba yabafundi sale Dengwane namhlanje kuseni emva kokuthi abanikazi beimoto ezithutha abafundi eGoli bethatha isinqumo sokuthi bamise ukusebenza kulandela ukushaqwa kweimoto zabo kuthiwa azikulungele ukuba semgwaqeni.
Bekukhala ibhungane ekseni ngaphandle kwamasango esikole njengoba abashayeli bezimoto ezithutha abafundi besikole bebengasebenzi. Iningi labazali bezingane bebengaphandle kwamasango esikole bebedumele ngokuphazamiseka kokufunda ngenxa yesiteleka sabashayeli bezimoto ezithutha abafundi.
My supposed to write a spelling test today. Now everything should stop because of this thing with the transport that are not in order.
The drivers have pulled their service because they know they've got power. You know, there is nothing that parents can do. But some of us who have decided that in 2026, I'll be driving my school to school for the whole year. I don't mind at all, you know, because, you know, these cars we have seen, some of them are not healthy at all.
I've got two daughters that uses a transport under in Apiwe. Anda's transport didn't come this morning. And then Apiwe's transport didn't come this morning. So I had to make sure that I drop her off and I dropped the other one off just now. So we're late today.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uqinisekisile ukuthi ukuphazamiseka kokufunda namhlanje ngenxa yesiteleka sabanikazi bezimoto ezithutha abafundi.
So we are impacted, but we just want to say to the scholar transport operators, we need to obey and follow the rules of the road. We need to abide by the law.
Nakuba abazali bezingane bekhathazekile ngesimo sanamhlanje banethemba lokuthi abanikazi bezimoto ezithutha abafundi uzobavula amehlo ngokuthi baqikelele ukuthi izimoto zabo zisesimeni esihle sokubhekana nomsebenzi wokuthuthwa kwezingane zesikole.
Kusenjalo besingabona isiminyaminya sezimonto emgwaqeni eminingi yaseGoli ngemuva kokushwaqwa kwenqwaba yezimonto ezithwala izingane zesikole ngolwesine. Wengamele zokuthutha esifundazweni uthi ukungalandelwa komthetho into engeke ibekezelelwe.
Going to continue enforcing the law, they must be compliant. It's not true that we are not talking to them. There's a platform, they are represented. We can even tell you who's representing them.
Uthi labo abanqume ukubeka phansi amathuluzi bengasebenzi ngenxa yokushaqwa kwezimonto engekho emthethweni boze bephela inkani ngeke baze bayeke ukusebenza.
So those who are on shutdown because rona re remove makese abatsamisa bana ba rona ka ona, then they must stay home. The shutdown must continue. They will march until they are pink, will not allow them to operate with unroadworthy vehicles.
Inhlangano zalezi imonto ezithutha izingane zitho kuyidida ukuthi lemthetho iguqulwa nsuku zaphuma bazama ngayo yonke indlela ukusebenzisana nabazali kodwa lokhu kunhlanga emuka nomoya.
Let us not shy away from the fact that the overloading is key in this area as well, and they are there is just no law to protect those students as well. The vulnerability is there because what happens is the parents are not aware that if they're sending their children to school, the transporter takes and puts them in a vehicle. There's kids that are sitting in the back.
Lezi inhlangano zithi zidinga nje ukuthi ihlale phansi nohulumeni wesifundazwe ukuze kuxazululwe lenzukaziyeki. Azicacisanga ukuthi ngabe zizobuyela yini emsebenzini ngomsombuluko.
Sisekuzoyithinta ukuthuthwa kwabafundi umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni eLimpopo usugcizelela isidingo sokuthi zonke imoto ezithutha ingane zesikole zibe sezingeni elifanele lokuba semgwaqeni.
Abanye abafundi eLimpopo ukuze bafinyele esikoleni kufanele bagibele kathathu kanti isimo salezi zimoto sisacubulungisiswa. Ukushayela budedengu, izimoto ezingekho sesimeni sokuba semgwaqeni kanye nokulayisha kwazo ngokweqile ngokunye kuyinselele enkulu. Bangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-70 abafundi eLimpopo abasebenzisa lezi moto abahlinzekwa umnyango wezemfundo.
I just call upon the parents to every day monitor the transport that their children are using for the safety of the children.
Can we please all the transporter drivers to respect our job, make sure that our licenses are valid, our cars are in a good condition, because remember this is our kids and also this is our job.
Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni awujabulile ngabashayeli abaqhubeka nokuphula umthetho.
What I need to indicate is that it is our collective responsibility with the Department of Transport and Community Safety to ensure that the transportation of buses and mid buses and taxis that are used to ferry learners are in a good condition.
Umnyango wezokuthutha ugcizelele ngokuthi zonke izimoto ezithutha abafundi kufanele zibe sesimweni esihle sokuba semgwaqeni.
We inspect these vehicles for roadworthiness, we inspect them for overloading, we also demand to check the documentations from the drivers or the operators, issues such as permits.
Umnyango uthi uzoqhubeka nokusebenzisana nowezokuthutha ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abashayeli bezimoto bawuthobela umthetho.
Mbukeli sathi qoyitolwana mabe sibuya sizophathela udaba oluthi.
I look forward to the restart of this trial, and I think it's going to give the opportunity that the whole truth comes out.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo inqume ukuthi kufanele liphindele enkantolo ephakeme udaba lalo wabe umabhalane kaIsmahashule uMuvadi Cholota. Asikubingela sikwamukela uma abasanda kungena udabeni oluphambili imbukeli besibike ukuthi sihlehlisela umhlaziyi 15 kuMbasa isigcawu esandolela ukwethula kwesigobho icaleni lomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema nokuyicala lokuqhumisa isibhamu esilangalaleni emcimbini waleli qembu ngonyaka we-2018. Asikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus nokumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uma siqeda ukuyisakaza ozwakethu bazoyifaka uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Zisashaqekile izakhamuzi zaseNtabankulu esifundazweni Eastern Cape ngemva kwesigameko sokudubula esenzeke emagcekeni esikole iNtabankulu Primary nelapho kusolwa ukuthi obeyiphini likathisha Nhloko ungene wavulela ngenhlavu kwabanye othisha wabeseyidubula naye.
Iziphumo zokuhlaselwa ngokumasikizi kotitshala ngolwesine kwisikolo samabanga phansi saseNtabankulu ngoyesakuba ngusekela nqununu wesisikolo noneminyaka engama-52 ubudala. Kuthiwa umenzi wobubi wagxothwa kwesisikolo emva kwezityholo zokuncwasa abafundi ngokwesondo. Omnye wabafike kuqala kwindawo yexhwayelo ucacisa ngakubonileyo.
Ngalendlela ndijonga ngayo abantwana bebaleka bephuma esikolweni. Njengoba thina singabazali abantwana bafunda pha saleqa ke sayojonga sijonga xa sisiva kudutshula abantwana omisa abathathu.
Kutyholwa ngelithi umenzi wobubi ungene kwesi sikolo ngokutsiba ucingo ngaphambi kokuhlasela ootitshala abafumene kwigumbi lokufundela. Kuthiwa ubadubule bobathathu, omnye wasweleka ngoko nangoko ngaphambi kokuba azidubule naye. Esi senzo sikhwankqisayo sishiya abahlali baseNtabankulu bematshekile.
Sibonile kwizifowunini kuma-social media kuthiwa kunetitshala edubule ezinye iititshala, ngoko ngokwasiphathanga kakuhle singabazali.
Isebe lemfundo eMpuma Koloni likholelwa ekubeni kufuneka kuthathwe amanyathelo awongezelelweyo ukuqinisekisa ukhuseleko loluqilima ezikolweni. Utitshala wesithathu uchazwe njengoswelekileyo ekufikeni kwakhe esibhedlele latsho lanyuka layakutsho kwisine inani labaswelekileyo kuquka umenzi wobubi.
A majority of the schools are now having security guards, including this one when the incident happened. They've got perimeter fence. The list that we are waiting for now is the budget so that we are able to make sure that all of them have got surveillance cameras.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eNtabankulu.
Kanti lo mthethosisekelo ihlonze ukuthi nakuba uMrwadi Cholota owayengumabhalane kaIsmagashule walandwa ngokungemthetho ngesikhathi eboshwa eMelika ebuyisawula eNingizimu Afrika ukuzobhekana nezinsolo zamacala lokho akusisona isizathu angabambelela kuso sokuthi angabhekani necala phambi kwenkantolo.
uCholota weyamaniseka ezinsolweni zenkohlakalo yethenda lokususwa kophahla ezindlini ezazifulelwe ngo-asbestos eFree State ngesikhathi sehlandla lowayengundunankulu uIsmagashule. Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ivune uCholota lokuthi iNPA yagagamela ngomnyakazo wokuyombopha eMelika imbuyisele ekhaya. Noma kunjalo ithi akusona-ke isisekelo asengabambelela ngaso ukuze angabhekani necala.
The Bloemfontein High Court erred in declining to exercise its jurisdiction over Ms. Cholota on the sole basis that her extradition was requested by the NPA. For this reason, the appeal must succeed.
Lo mbango ke phakathi kwe-NPA kanye noCholota usubuyiselwe emumva enkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State.
The task now that we've been given is to reflect legally on the implications of the other matters that affected or may be affected by the judgment, because it is now settled law that only the National Executive can formally make an extradition request.
uMrwadi Cholota uthi usekulungele ukubhekana necala phambi kwenkantolo.
I look forward to the restart of this trial, and I think it's going to give the opportunity that the whole truth comes out.
Icala kulindeleke ukuthi libuyele ke enkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State ngomsombuluko.
Imeya sekuruleni inkosi Ndiphile Qhakaza ichithile imbiko yabezindaba emiyamanisa nokubulawa komcwaningi ngamabhuku uMphoma Fole kanye nosaziwayo uBongani Mfihlo.
Those who have been on the receiving end of our firm consequence management, they are now working overtime to undermine our efforts using social media to spread disinformation, peddling falsehood to journalists, and seeking to destabilize the city. We are considering now is to get the SIU, the Special Investigation Unit, to look into the ICT matters. Because while there are internal investigations that are well underway, there are these efforts.
Okusabalala kwembiko engelona iqiniso kuleli yokuthi kubulawa belungu nokuyimbiko yagqama kakhulu eMelika sekholele ekutheni babe yintshisekelo yokuza kuleliza abantu baseMelika. Lokho kusho uNgqongqoshe wezokuvakasha uPatricia de Lille ngenkathi ekhuluma engqungqutheleni iWorld Economic Forum eDavos eSwitzerland.
Afrika ike yaba ngundabuzekwayo ofisi likaTrump enyakeni wedlule ngenxa yokungavumelani ngolwe-G20 nangokwembiko yokuthi khona abantu abacwaswayo kuleli. Nokho sekubukeke ngathi lokhu kwenze abantu baseMelika bafuna ukuvakasha kulelizwe. Ungqongqoshe wezokuvakasha uthi sebebabaningi abantu baseMelika sebevakashile eNingizimu Afrika kamumva nje.
With all this animosity in the past year between ourselves and the United States of America, the result of that is there's no tariffs in tourism. So we've seen America taking the #1 spot in terms of visitors, arrivals in our country.
Lowe Brand SA uthi iNingizimu Afrika inakho okufunekayo ukuze ikhulise umkhakha wezokuvakasha. Wathi kufanele nje iqhubeke nomfutho enawo.
Money follows authenticity, because when you're authentic about who you are as a country, people like that. They connect with you easily. So I think from an investment perspective, especially from South Africa, we're so diversified.
Yona ezosingatha ingqungquthela ekhethekile ya iWorld Economic Forum ngonyaka ozayo kanye neminye imicimbi ebandakanya umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba yekhilikithi. Ungqongqoshe wezokuvakasha uthi uhulumeni utshala imali kwezokuheha ngokusebenzisa umnyango wezokuvakasha kuleli ukuze bengeke bepheze ukuvakasha kuleli abantu.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona namuhla kusasa abakhonoza kwethu neindaba ngolimi lwesiXhosa usale kahle thina siyabuya ngesonto kusihle.